been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life.
Off to our next destination, Saint-Sauveur and the mountains. And Saint-Sauveur in the village area. Took our dog, little stroll. But they had some interesting stuff. Looks like you. Looks like a baby. Yeah. It looks small.
What kind?
Bichon.
Bichon?
Bichon and Shih Tzu next. Oh. Yours? Bichon. Bichon. Oh, favorite. Saint-Sauveur, but at Page Bakery. It's sort of like, if anyone knows from New York, a Chelsea market where there's different stores inside selling all different food. And then we got some cream of broccoli. Further down in the shopping area, we got some cheese, local cheese from here, and a baguette and some croutons for the soup. So, and a bowl of water for Disney.
Big spender.
We stopped at this pet store and we got Disney a cute bone for her to have in the RV.